Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. Alright, so in this tutorial I'll show you different ways which you can apply and that will help to open the app again without any kind of disturbance. So let's pretend I've got problems with Chrome, with browser. It could be obviously any other app, but let's take this as an example. So all we have to do now is to tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon here. We will be transferred to this section where we can manage some operations which are connected with this app. And first of all, I highly recommend to go to storage and cache here. And as you can see here, we've got something called cache. And cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, sometimes they can interfere. So first of all, I highly recommend to simply tap on clear cache, and your device will immediately do it. After that, I highly recommend to simply tap on force stop, which is right here, because sometimes if the app is opened in the background, even though it is not shown in the recents and even though you cannot really see it, it also might interfere and it will have some problems to be reopened. So force stop and tap on OK. Now you can try to open the app. Probably it will work perfectly fine at this point, and you will not have to use other steps I will show you in a second. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to enter the Play Store to check for the updates, because sometimes older app versions might have some problems with proper opening, proper working, etc. So the Play Store. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can open the Play Store. Be aware you need to be logged in. You can do it right after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. You can check our tutorial. I've just recorded it, how to add the Google account in this specific device. So no worries, you can always check that and come back to this video. So here we are in the Google App Store. So let's simply tap on search here at the top and enter the name of the app you'd like to update and tap on it. So here your device will immediately show you the app. As you can see, we've got the information that it is installed, and next to it we've got the update. So if the update is available, your device will for sure show it to you. So simply tap on update, let your device download newer version and overwrite it over the older one. And this option should be the best option. I think it is the best option, because usually the update simply limits and wipes out all of misbehavior. However, sometimes it won't, because this overwriting process might cause some file damages, whatever. Basically, overwriting over the older version might cause some problems with the app. And what I highly recommend to do then is to go to Google Chrome, so the same section here. And instead of update, you will have the option uninstall. And I highly recommend to simply tap on uninstall, let your device fully uninstall the app, and then install it again. Why it works? Because in this operation, your device will download and install the newer version directly without this overwriting thing, which might cause some problems. So this is how to fix that issue, and I believe that after that the app will work for sure. And as a last resort, if we are talking about the updates, I highly recommend to check for the system updates, because sometimes if you've got the older version of the system and the apps are new, there will be some compatibility issues. So let's go to the settings. Right here, we have to scroll down to find the option System Updates, and then simply tap on Check for Updates and let your device check. If there is an update pending, I highly recommend to simply download it and install, not only because of the proper usage of the apps and the compatibility things, but also for the security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.